Hey y'all, this is your girl Tony, your baker here at Cookies and Ish. I'm actually bringing you a video today of some easy granola that I'm making for the first time. So I definitely wanted to, of course, include you all on that. Like I said, this is the first time I'm making granola. So, like I said, definitely, I'm got the... Hold on, y'all. Let me turn this on around because I know I... Uh-oh. Okay, here we go. So I got the, in this pan over here, this is it's brown sugar, there's butter, and then there's honey. You're supposed to, of course, get all this going together. I'm going to cut this off, actually, because I don't want it to burn or nothing, because it should melt. But getting all this going together, then you're supposed to put it into the mixture bowl that I have over here. And I'll show y'all that shortly. Like I said, that is all mixed up, actually, because I don't want it to start burning and all that. And this only takes maybe like 7 minutes according to the instructions. I got the recipe from Pinterest, but I did have to doctor it up a little bit and add some stuff that I wanted to add. I guess I put it that way too. So I will share the recipe, but like I said, I definitely did not include everything. I included way more things than they asked for. I guess I put it that way because I wanted to make, like I said, I wanted to include some coconut. I put coconut. Well, here we go. Coconut. I put in coconut. There is, of course, there's a cup of rice cereal, or crispy, what is it called? Crispy rice cereal. There's 1.5 cups of oatmeal. There's some trail mix that have nuts and pepitas, almonds. There's stuff like that, just like a generic little trail mix from Walmart I got. Then, of course, there's some chocolate chips. There's some more raisins, and then there's some cranberries. So like I said, I put coconut in there too. So like I said, I definitely want to include my own things in there. So I did have to increase the amount of stuff that I added inside of that pot, as y'all saw that pot, with the honey, the butter, and the brown sugar. So I definitely had to, I increased everything by for the honey, I made it was like 1/4 of a cup. So I used 1/4 of a cup and then like 1/2 of another. So like I said, I just doubled the recipe 1.5 times. So just to make sure I had enough stuff to put inside of this bowl when it comes time to stir. So I do want to let y'all know that I'll be this Saturday. I'll be at the Gladden Farms Holiday Market from 9 to 1 Saturday, December the 3rd. It's located at 11745 West Gladden Farms Drive. So it's going to be at the Gladden Farms Elementary School. So I'll be one of the vendors there. So y'all, like I said, come pick up your big ass cookies. And I will, of course, have samples and that kind of thing there as well. So like I said, come on out and enjoy, y'all. So I want to make sure y'all knew that. But like I said, I will share the recipe. It's an easy homemade chewy granola recipe, because this is not the hard granola. It's the chewy, because I don't like the hard granola too much at all. So I'll take that back. I'll eat it as a snack sometimes. But the chewy ones are my favorite, actually. So, but like I said, I definitely want to always make these. Never knew how to make them. Never even looked into making them. So I said, while I'm at home working from home today, I'm going to go ahead and get these things made. So like I said, that's why I'm doing this video. So it looks like everything over here in this little pot is gelling together well. Like I said, I did cut it off so it won't burn or anything like that. And all the recipe does is boil that for 3 minutes. Which I know it boiled for 3 minutes. Pour it over the mixture and stir it to coat evenly. Then press it into a prepared dish. So let's go ahead and get to doing that. Then refrigerate for 1.5 hours. So let me go ahead and turn the camera back down so y'all can see what's going on. Give me 1 second, y'all. But make sure y'all come out to Gladden Farms Elementary School so y'all can pick up some cookies and stuff. And like I said, I will have samples too, just to let y'all know. Okay, there we go. So I'm taking the pot. Like I said, this is the brown sugar butter mixture, brown sugar, butter, and honey. I'm pouring this right on over because it said just pour it on over into the bowl. And that's exactly what I'm doing, y'all. Pouring it right into the bowl. And then it says just to mix on up. And that's exactly what I'm going to do too. So I'm just go ahead and mix on up. Mix evenly to coat everything is what it says actually. And I will definitely do that. So trying to get all this little sticky stuff on up out of there. Like I said, I'm sure these will be good. I actually want to make these into balls, but I think it may be too sticky to do that. So I just decided to go ahead and get my little glass dish to go ahead and do that with. So instead. And then it says just stir up, y'all. So that's what I'm doing. Stirring it on up and getting everything evenly mixed as much as I can and evenly coated as much as I can. And like I said, this is a great recipe for of course, busy families, they have kids and they want an easy snack to make. You can actually make this with the kids, actually. But like I said, definitely having this kind of snack is healthier than just having just straight candy or that kind of thing at home, especially if you're out of, like I said, popcorn, fruit, or that kind of thing. Like I said, this is definitely an easy recipe to make. As long as you have some ingredients at home, you don't have to use every single ingredient I put into this bowl, like the coconut and the chocolate and the trail mix and all these nuts and the raisins. You can use whatever you want to put. If your kids want M&Ms, I know I just said healthy, but it's okay. But if your kids want M&Ms or peanut butter pieces or whatever they want in there, you can put that in here too. Or if you want pecans in here, just pecans and chocolate, put that in there too. You can have whatever you want, y'all. Doesn't have to be like the way I'm making this. I just wanted to make it, like I said, for my first time and include a lot of my little fun stuff that I like in there. Like I said, the nuts, the trail mix, and the raisins and all that kind of stuff. So, and as you all can see, this is evenly coated. As much as I can get it evenly coated. And I think everything is actually coated. So, yeah, it's coated. And I'm seeing the chocolate is melting, y'all. So I guess it'll actually harden up once I get into the refrigerator. So that's not a problem at all. So, next, I'm pouring this into my little container. It said to line with some parchment paper. I tried my best to turn it up to match the edges, but I messed it up, y'all. It don't matter. So if you want to just grease your pan very, very good, because I did still grease it. Oh, actually, I see a missed part. Oh, is it still greased? Oh, it's greased. I want to make sure. So I didn't want to leave any side out that wasn't greased, so it won't get stuck to this pan. So all it says now is to pour it on into the bowl. So I'm pouring it on into the bowl and press down to get it all in there. And like I said, y'all, this should be tasty. It's not going to be ready for like an hour and a half because it has to sit in the fridge for an hour and a half. So, which is fine. Like I said, you can make it ahead or make it a day ahead, however you want to do it. So it's fine. Uh-oh. I'm trying to get this stuff on over in here, y'all. On over in here. Trying to get all this stuff out the bowl so I can get it all into this thing. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay. Alrighty, and then like I said, just press on down. Uh-oh. As evenly as you can make it, I guess. Or as neat as you can make it, I should say. And pop this bad boy into the fridge for an hour and a half, and it's ready to go, is what it says. So like I said, my chocolate, which I kind of knew it probably was going to melt with all that hot honey and all that kind of stuff being poured in it. But once it gets cool, of course, it's going to be chocolate mixed in. So that should be awesome. So that should be awesome, awesome, awesome. So I'm fine with that. Uh-oh. But you can also put mini marshmallows if you want to make s'mores ones. You can include some crushed up graham cracker, I'm pretty sure. And like I said, make your own recipe. You can just experiment just like I'm doing now. Like I said, the s'mores with some marshmallows, mini marshmallows, or you could use big marshmallows. Well, not the too big, but the regular size marshmallows. And some, like I said, some chocolate chips or M&Ms. Want to put that in there. And like I said, some graham crackers. So this is how this is going to be, y'all. I'm throwing this into the refrigerator. That's all it's going to be. So, like I said, this is how it's looking. And this is how it's going to go into the fridge, y'all. It's probably about a good inch, maybe an inch inside this pan. What size is this pan, actually? This is an 8x2, I guess 8x8 glass dish. That's what I decided to put it in. So, but like I said, this is definitely what it looks like, y'all. And I'm sure it's going to be good. I'm pretty sure of that. Like I said, it's my first time making this, and I'm sure it's not going to be my last time. So like I said, I hope y'all enjoy, because I know there's folks on here watching, so I hope y'all enjoy. If you know somebody who could use this kind of recipe, greatly share this with them. Like I said, this is great for whether you're alone or have a family. Either one is fine. But like I said, this is definitely a snack for anybody to, of course, enjoy any time of the day or night. I guess I put it that way for you night snackers and stuff like that. But like I said, this is also a fun recipe to make with the kids, too. And you can have all types of mix-ins. Like I said, I used the trail mix, the raisins, the cranberries, chocolate chips, coconut, some of that trail mix. But I'm looking at my shelf over here because I have M&Ms. I have Reese's Pieces, I guess. Over here, I have all types of stuff. White chocolate chips. I have some marshmallows. I have all types of stuff. Like I said, you can definitely play around with this recipe. You can even get some red and green cute little M&Ms to put in here for the holidays. So, like I said, definitely enjoy, y'all. Like I said, thank you all for joining in. This is Tony, your baker here at Cookies and Ish, and this is some of the ish that I'll be making. So like I said, definitely I'm going to enjoy it, y'all. Take care, y'all. Have a good one.